Hey guys! In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make the Echinacea flower. This has been a requested video by some of you, so I finally got to making it. I made two Echinaceas, a smaller one and a slightly bigger one, but for this video I decided to show you how to make the smaller one, since it is, I guess you could say, just a little easier to make than the bigger one, because it requires less paper strips. Make sure to check the description below for more information about the materials I'll be using. Before starting, I want to say a few words about the paper strips that I will be using. Some of you have asked me where to get 1mm paper strips from, and I finally found a place online that sells internationally, so I linked their Etsy store in the description below. Be sure to check it out if you're interested. They have a variety of colors. I recently bought a few and I'm hoping to use them in future videos. To make the Echinacea flower, I'll be using this pink color that I bought from them. It's called Cyclamen Pink and it's 1mm width and 160 GSM weight. Okay, let's get to it now. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Be sure to tag me on Instagram if you will try and make the Echinacea flower. I'd love to see your work. Also, if you like this video, subscribe and share it with others. See you in my next one!